We're at Sentul International Circuit. This is the Z800 using Leofin's GP Pro full system exhaust. Actually, it's not full system, but we mix it up. We mix it up. We're using the arrow headers, and this is the GP Pro muffler. All right, we're going to start it. Then we're going to show you after it's hot. We're going to make it warm a little bit. Hyper Pro steering dampers, they got the LCDs and all the necessary equipment for the electronics of the 800s. And this is the guy who owns it. So the RPM is getting stable right now. While we're waiting, still 25 degrees. That one is 600 using the full system arrow. Alright, we're heading up to the pit lane. Boss still doing some calls. Alright, we'll be joining you soon. Over and out.